Hello everyone, welcome to our sunflower design ribbon collection where fall and autumn come alive. The charming ribbon features a delightful sunflower pattern in 6 beautiful colors: light blue, light brown, apple green, cream white, pink, and yellow, with a width from 1/2 to 2.5 inches and a wider edge for easy shaping. It's perfect for seasonal gift wrapping, hair accessories, decorative items, and floral arrangements. The versatile ribbon art also enhances clothing designs and serves as a welcome touch for guests. Add a burst of sunshine to any project with our vibrant sunflower ribbon. I'm Dr. Ribbon. See you next time. Bye.